Hey kids! Hopefully you guys are all doing well and you are healthy. I am here to show you my big idea here. So I am bored at home with making all of these lessons. I feel that they're boring. So I discovered Bitmoji last week and my dog is being obnoxious right now. Sit down! Excuse me while I yell at my dog. I discovered Bitmoji last week and I started making some Bitmoji classroom things and I hope that you like this. So, today you have three things to do, um, including watching this video, which is going to be right here in the middle. So you're going to watch the video after you do your quick write. You're going to click on the article. So click on the newspaper and then that's going to bring you to an article about oh my gosh, I can't even talk today. Teen inventors. After you read that article, you're going to go over here where it's going to say number 3. I think my camera's in front of it. And you're going to click that. That's going to be a graphic organizer for the news article. The graphic organizer is also your exit ticket. So hopefully you can get those things done. I'm trying to not give you so much work because I really hope that you are reading. That's really what I want you to do right now. So today you get to read the article and then tell me what you think about it. So I hope you're doing good. I miss you all. I wish I was at work at school with you. Bye.